Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions about the new Samsung ST40F. Of course we will gonna make a sound test, of course we will gonna make a bass test, and of course I will talk to you about all the features of this new speaker from Samsung. So let's see what we have in the box first. So in the box we have the speakers, of course we have the power cable, but this speaker has an internal battery that lasts up to 12 hours of playing time, and of course we have the manuals that no one reads. So let's take a closer look at this speaker and let's turn it on. From what do I see, it is very similar with the bigger brother, the Samsung ST40F. Of course this speaker has 160 watts of power that comes from two dome tweeters and two 5.25 inch woofers. Of course it has different light shows, and I really like that here on the handle, when we turn down the volume or turn it at the maximum, it will show us the level of the volume. So here is up, left is down, red it's maximum, and of course we see the level of the volume even on the front of the speaker. Now let's see the interface buttons. We see here that it has the bass buttons, it has the deep bass, the punchy bass, and of course the gentle bass. We have the Bluetooth, USB, AUX 1, AUX 2, the inputs buttons, the turning on and off, and here
3, 2, 1.
And here we have the button for jam sessions. Now let's see the inputs on the back. These are the inputs of the Samsung ST40F. We see here that it has mic 1, mic 2. Of course you can use one of them for the guitar. Of course here we have the Auracast multi-connection button, and here we have the pairing button with the extra speaker. And I really like that it has a removable battery. Of course it is not big, but it will last up to 12 hours of playing time. On the back we see here that it has a bass port, the charging port, and let's see on the bottom if we can put it on the stand. No, unfortunately it doesn't have a stand, but it has these rubber legs for not make so many vibrations, and we can see inside of it. You see, it is full with protective membrane. Now let's turn this speaker on again and let's try to connect it to the app. So the Samsung speakers uses the Samsung Sound Tower app. So this is what we see in the app. So it is connected to this phone. It has several ways of party lights: chill, delight, energetic, and of course festival. I will leave it on festival, and of course we can switch between everything. I don't know, but I see here that it has 0% of battery life, but in real life it has much more. The DJ booth that you can access from this button. Of course we have the sound mode, standard, wide, stadium, and outdoor. That it is a big plus compared to other manufacturers. Of course we have the equalizer that you can switch between 6-7 lines of equalizer, and of course we have these 4 presets: smooth, treble boost, clear, and balanced. I will go to custom because I really like this kind of equalizer. Here we have the bass mode. So we have the normal, punchy, deep and gentle. I will leave it on punchy because in my opinion it sounds much better. Of course we can group play several speakers together, or we can stereo two speakers together. Of course none of these features are very interesting if the sound it is not good, and we already know that Samsung builds very good speakers, and that's why we will gonna test this speaker at 30% of the volume, at 50, 70 and 100% of the volume. After that we will gonna make a 50 Hz flat bass test. So let's start with the sound test. 30% of the volume. As you saw, it has the volume here on the lights. In my opinion, at 30% it is just not enough. Let's switch to 50%. At 50% it sounds good, but still not enough. It's even not enough as a JBL Party Box in Core 2. Now let's switch to 75% of the volume. So at 30% I am not impressed, at 50% I am not impressed. Now let's go to 100% of the volume. So this speaker has 160 watts of power that comes from two 5.25-inch woofers and two 20mm dome tweeters. I can definitely tell you that at full volume this speaker sounds very good. Okay, I think this Samsung ST40F, it is a little bit more powerful than a JBL Party Box 120. Of course, I will gonna make a cross comparison review between them in a couple of days. Now let's switch to the bass test, and for that I will gonna put a 50 Hz flat tone to see how powerful it's the bass on the Samsung ST40F. Let's increase in power. 50 Hz flat. Okay, the house is shaking, not that much, but it's shaking. Let's switch between the bass modes. Okay, I am very curious. Let's switch to 40 Hz. Okay, I have my mind on the Samsung ST40F, and what's the conclusion? Before I start to the conclusion, let me tell you that this speaker cost around $330 to $350. So this is not an expensive speaker. Now let's talk about the sound quality. As we are used to, Samsung sounds very good. From 0 volume to 100% of the volume, it sounds very good. I did not feel any distortion, but as you saw on the bass part at 50 Hz, on the deep part, I don't know why it sounded like that. So it is very loud. I think it is louder than the JBL Party Box 120. The sound, it is very good. The bass, it is powerful enough to shake a house. And of course you can do an indoor party with it or a small party outdoors, but it will not impress with sound. It is loud, but not as a JBL Party Box 320. So for its size, it is a very good speaker, but I am not impressed with the loudness, with the bass and with everything. I will just go to the JBL Party Box in Core 2, or just go to a JBL Party Box 320, a Sony XV800, or a Samsung ST40F. That's why I don't like that much the JBL Party Box 120. This is why I don't like that much the ST40F. But if you go bigger or smaller, it will be a very good choice. But I am very curious, what is your opinion about the Samsung ST40F? Do you think it is a good buy or not? In my opinion, I should go with the smaller or with the bigger speaker. What is your call? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers!